It's a great day here at Davis Chevrolet in Claresholm, Alberta. Today we're looking at unit 190052. This is a 2018 Buick Envision Premium II. On it has 19-inch wheels here. That's an auto tailgate. It has a 360-degree ultrasonic parking assist, as well as rear cross traffic alert and front cross traffic alert. Inside we have a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. That's a turbo engine at 252 horsepower, mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It has a black leather interior. The price on this one before rebates is $56,090. Before we go inside here, you can see here is a blind spot warning indicator. It has passive keyless entry. Here's a look at the interior now. It's a black leather interior. The seats are heated and cooled. They're also power adjustable here. There's also driver memory for 2 different people. Power locks, powered mirrors and windows, controls for your power tailgate, Bose Upgraded sound. This is the Envision Premium II, so the Premium II comes with this heads-up display here. It shines in your windshield. Down by my left knee are the controls for that heads-up display. Here's a look at the upgraded dashboard. It's a leather-wrapped steering wheel here. The steering wheel is also heated. There are a ton of steering wheel mounted controls here. On the left are the steering wheel controls for the cruise control, as well as the heated steering wheel and the anti-collision. And on the right is controls for your radio, the volume, and also your mobile device. Taking a look at the radio now, that's an 8-inch touchscreen display. The radio itself has AM, FM, XM satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth, auxiliary inputs, and Apple CarPlay, as well as Android Auto. It also does come with built-in factory navigation, a backup camera here, as well as the top-down camera. It has dual zone climate control, heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger, automatic parking brake. Above my head are the controls for OnStar, as well as the universal home remote for the garage at home. And we also have the controls for the giant sunroof. Here's the view of the seating in the back. The outer seats are heated in the back. And here's a look at that giant sunroof. Once again, this has been unit 190052, the completely loaded 2018 Buick Envision Premium II. We're selling this one at Davis Chevrolet in Claresholm, Alberta for $56,090 before rebates. So come down and check it out today.